Hello, my name is Luz Elena Zúñiga. I am 20 years old. I am from Cali Valley, but I live in Balboa, Cauca. I am a psychology student. I really like to go for a walk with my friends. I live with my husband, Wilmer, my true son, Juan Esteban, Lina Saray. My husband, Wilmer, is 26 years old. He is teacher of mathematics. He is very intelligent. His favorite color is brown. My son, Juan Esteban, is 6 years old. He is a student in second grade. His favorite color of is orange. My daughter, Lina Saray, is 2 years old. He is very loving, very intelligent.